Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Nikka and this is my Intro to Belly Dance series. Today we'll be learning the Maya, or I like to call it the vertical figure 8. So imagine that you have a pencil in front of you and you're going to draw an infinity symbol side to side, okay? So finding our posture, knees are bent, pelvis is tucked, chest is lifted, arms are out to the sides. I'd like you to take your hip and first shift it out to the side. Then, coming up to the ball of the foot, lift the hip and squeeze the oblique, pulling the hip in and down. Let's do just that side a few more times. Out, up, in, and down. Shifting out, up, in, and down, like scooping your hip. Scooping your hip, scooping your hip, and scooping your hip. Other side, knees are bent. Tailbone is long, lower belly pulling in, hip shifts out, oblique squeezes up, coming to the ball of the foot, hip shifts back in and down. Again, out, up, in, down. Again, out, up, in, and down. Once more, shifting out and up, in, and down. Now we're going to put that together. So, taking our hip, scooping it out, up, and in. Other side, out, up, and in. See how we're drawing this infinity symbol in front of us? But different than the figure 8 that you may have learned with me previously, we're not letting our hips twist side to side. So it's just going up and down, okay? Out, up, in, down, and out. Up, in, down. Smoothing it out, letting the hips scoop and scoop, scoop and scoop, scoop and scoop. Breathing. Good. Let's make it very slow. Really check that lower back is lengthening, chest is lifting, smiling and breathing. And then more quickly, we need to make it smaller. You can do this movement with feet on the floor as well, the heels not lifting. It is probably a little bit more challenging. I like to start off by learning when lifting the heels. Again, we're keeping the chest isolated and very still. Lots of movement on the bottom and still on top. Shall we reverse it? So from here, we're going to take the hip, lift it up, press it out, down, and in. Up, out, down, and in. Up, out, down, in. Once more. Up, out, down, in. Other side. Up, out, down, in, up, out, down, in, up, out, down, in. Last time. Up, out, down, and in. Let's add them together. Up, out, down, and in. Up, out, down, and in. So I like to think like you're making wine. You're smushing grapes under your feet in a very sensual, sexy, beautiful manner. Smush and smush, like a goddess. Breathing over and over. You may feel your obliques starting to get tired. If your arms get tired, give them a break and then bring them back up. And let's go nice and slow. And more quickly and small. And we can add them together, scooping in and in, and over, and over. In, over, and over, in, and over, and over. Once more, in, and over, and over. Whew, good job. Thank you.